crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. I'm John.
And I'm Curtis.
And today's a little bit different day than we normally do, but this past weekend was KOC
Hallmark Ornament Premiere.
And so we thought we'd share some of the exciting things that we found and probably some of the indebtedness, I guess, right?
Yeah.
that we went to. So you want to start off with?
Yeah, I'll start. My stash of ornaments is a little bit less this time. Usually Hallmark has it where they have an ornament, the big ornament premieres in July, then they have a second one that's usually not as big in October, and then they have a third one in December. Well, this year, all of the ornaments that I wound up liking are going to be premiered in October. So this month I didn't get very many that I didn't like, but John will make up for that, definitely. So what I got was, I got this really cute Father Christmas ornament. I saw him in the catalog and thought it was really cool, so I added him to my stash. And then I got the 100th anniversary of Disney, which features Mickey Mouse on, it looks like a film reel, and he's a director, so Mickey talks, so I'm excited to hear what that sounds like when we put batteries in and everything. For the season. And then this is a cute little Santa ho 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 ornament. It spins at the bottom, and the ho 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 goes around the Santa, which is really cute. So I'll look forward to putting that on the tree this year as well. And they're starting, it looks like they're starting a Schitt's Creek line, and they started with David Rose. So I'm hoping that they have all of the Rose characters starting for the next several years. I don't know if they are or not, but we'll find out. But I definitely started the collection if they have it. And there's David Rose. And then I have 2 Dorothy Spornak ornaments from the Golden Girls. I usually buy 3 of them because I have a curio cabinet actually, and one half is Mary Poppins and the other half is Golden Girls. And I put one of the Golden Girls ornaments in each year, so that one's already in the curio cabinet. But I have 2 more because I'm building the collection because I'm going to sell all 4 of them eventually. To people who may not have been able to get all 4 of them or don't have the set or the series, so that's why I have 2 left of those. We also did some extra shopping this weekend as well too, and I picked up some things for our grandchildren. Right now I'm going to show you 2 things that I got for our granddaughter Ava. She's going to be 5 and she likes unicorns, so I got her this cute little 3D mold and paint unicorn set at the Hallmark store that we were at yesterday, and it was a great deal at 50% off. It cost me $6, so that was really good. And I thought this was really cute. I got both our granddaughter and our grandson this cute little troublemaker pillow, and I got it at Crate and Barrel, and it was on a deep clearance for $9.97 each. So they're normally $39, so I got a really good deal on that. So that's my stuff. Now John's gonna show all his goodies to you guys.
So although it appears that we do a lot of shopping and we post a lot of different shopping sprees, we do find a lot of great bargains, just like what you found at Crate and Barrel.
Yeah.
All right, so some of the ornaments I got, I ended up with a larger collection, really, for this time of this year. October's going to be a smaller
segment for you.
Yeah. So Grinch, because we've talked about Christmas, is our favorite holiday. Grinch is one of my big ones. So I got a few Grinch ornaments, and actually these were very reasonable. They're not really part of that keepsake ornament line, and these were only $10.99. So really worked out that I was able to pick some of those up to add into the collection. But some of the KOC that I got was Winnie the Pooh.
Yep.
Is a new one with him in the.
And that's Halloween, right? Yeah. Oh no, that's Christmas.
No, it's Christmas.
Okay.
It's a happy holiday hug.
Okay.
So. But I was able to pick that up, added 2 penguins. It's called What Did You Call Me? And they're going down on a sled, it looks like.
Oh, there's the
Yeah, I'll set those aside. We'll do those last. Long Letter for Santa is, again, some more penguins. I loved looking at the penguins. This one is Snow Buddies, and that's a collection they've had for several years now.
I think so, yeah.
So we've been collecting those for a while. This was the big one, The Artist at Work. This is a 50th anniversary one. This is Santa checking his list and that. So that one is definitely a big collectible. I buy the grandson ornaments for the grandkids. I buy the granddaughter for the granddaughter.
Yeah.
And then, let's see what else. This 2023, this Sweet Decade, they started that, I think, in 2020.
No, they started before that because I have some from 2017 and 2018.
Okay, so I've been buying that for several years now. I just keep that collection going.
Yeah.
They also have this collection called Young Santa, and I really like it, and we've added, we pick that up every year. This is a Jingle Bell Rock, and it's rocks, and I think it actually plays music.
It probably plays Jingle Bell Rock, probably.
Yeah. So that's going to be cute. That's
interesting.
And then if you remember Fisher-Price toys as a kid, I did not have this, but my niece did, had the Fisher-Price Airport.
Oh, yeah.
So I picked that up because it's just nostalgic. I just remember that. My niece, who doesn't watch the videos, is getting this wino ornament this year. It says a case of Christmas cheer.
Mm-hmm.
So, see, that would be a spoiler alert if she was watching, but I know better. The daughter video or ornament this year is really cute because it's a cupcake and just two more. Season's Treatings. I bought this because my dad was an old railroad man, and so that's a train, and then I bought the sun ornament, which again is cupcakes this year. So that's all the ornaments I bought for Christmas. They did come out this year with the Hocus Pocus collection. So I've got Winifred and Mary Sanderson. Sarah is actually on back order. So hopefully at some point before Halloween, we hope that will come in. So we'll be able to put those on the Halloween trees, because we do separate black and purple Halloween trees during the month of October that we have to hurry and take down so we can get all the Christmas trees out.
Yes, and I did them all last year in 3 weeks. So it's a little bit of a daunting process, but we get it done.
So the other thing that we did, so normally this is not something we would have as part of our guys' craft too, but we just thought it would be fun. But Curtis was really excited because next door to the Hallmark store that we went to was a quilt and fabric store. So we found some really cool mid-century kind of colors, I guess, right?
Yeah, well, in style. It has kind of that half moon, big 60s kind of style, but in a different shade. It's a light blue.
So this was on clearance. We got 40% off the regular price, so that wasn't bad. We got a couple of yards of that. And then, of course, you can never have, no matter what Curtis says, never have too much Halloween fabric.
Oh, boy.
And this was just really cool with witches on their broomstick in the yellow moon, kind of on a reddish-orange background. Yeah. It's not really orange, but it's not red, so it's kind of that combination.
Right.
But it was just, I had not seen this at any of the fabric shops. Mm-hmm. So I'm assuming it's probably a little bit older. Again, probably why it was on clearance, but doesn't matter. Still liked it. And then I bought a new pattern called Eclipse. It's by KOC Patterns, and this is really a cool pattern. They had this done for Halloween, and I think they said it takes 5 different fabrics to do it. Yeah. But it's kind of like a modified log cabin at the end of the day. But I really, really liked this pattern, and it's one I didn't have, so we picked that up. So that, along with just a few other side items, was kind of our shopping spree this weekend. Yep. We did spend a lot of time in the stores because it's hot in Arizona, so we needed to be inside.
Yes, we did.
All right. So anything else to add?
No, not for me.
All right. Well, we appreciate you jumping in, tuning into our channel. If you like what you hear, hit that thumbs up. Always hit that subscribe button. We appreciate all you all that have joined as subscribers to our channel. And until next time, happy crafting.
Happy crafting.